What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this information kind of already got out, and it was my fault, the reason why that did happen. Now, I make live streams and I talk about my different positions, so some people probably already know anyways without even seeing the videos that I posted yesterday, but they all got mixed up. Besides the first video, actually, was about Shiba Inu, but then everything else really got mixed up. So I don't know what happened to the videos. I'll make sure I be a little bit more careful. I try to be a little bit more careful every time, but don't know what happened this time. I've done this maybe 3 times, mixing up the videos that I was posting for the day, and I just got to be a little bit more aware of what I'm doing there. But anyways, I got all of those, or the 2 videos that were right. I still have those up. The other video is taken down, but I'm going to go over the information anyways in this video and go through it in depth, exactly what I plan on doing. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. In this video, we're talking about going all in on Shiba Inu, and this is probably more of an all in on a position than what I've seen or what I've done in the past. Like typically I take $1,000 or something and invest into that, and that's going all in, all the money that I have to spend. But this is all the money that I have to spend for that day, but I have a lot that's in Coinbase just sitting there doing pretty much nothing. So I decided to make an investment. But I'll talk about that investment. Like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want this information on Patreon that's supposed to be purely just for Patreon, feel free to hit that button down there, that link down there. And you'll go over to Patreon. You could sign up for whatever one you want. The second level and beyond is where you get all of the information. You'll get the one-on-ones with the last level. You'll get the different buy alerts and sell alerts whenever I do make a purchase or I sell my position. I let Patreon know as well. I like to have communication or conversation with you guys over there via private message, so feel free to go and check that out as well. But like I said, Shiba Inu is something that I have believed in for a long time, right? I invested into this a while ago when it was at 0.00002. Now it's lower than that. It did go to a higher point of 0.00003, 0.00004, getting up to some of those levels, and even, at 5 and 6 and basically halfway to that drop zero level. But now we're seeing this at a really low point where it's at 0.00001. Hopefully that was 4 zeros and a 1. And we're close to the level of adding a 0. And I've talked about this in one of my previous videos. Seeing this, I see an opportunity. I believe Shiba Inu has a lot of hype behind it, a lot of push behind it, especially in the short term. So I decided that I'm going to make a move. Now, this is not going to be for the long term. This is going to be for the short term because I'm looking for just a standard price increase. While everybody else is finding ways to make money swing trading, day trading, I feel like I'm just standing still with a lot of these plays when I should be making some consistent moves within different positions and trying to make some money here and there every single day or every week or every month. Based on what I'm, trading, every day or every week or every month. But anyways, if we look at the overall market, the market is down to a $1.03 trillion market cap. It was down to a 1.02, and even Shiba Inu was down to a lower level today. If we look at where Shiba Inu is right now, it's at 11.15, so it's down about 0.5%. We've seen this at a low of 1091, getting very, very close or dangerously close to that point of adding another 0. Obviously, the high point we see here is 1123, and the volume, we're seeing $152 million in volume. Now, with this low level that we're seeing this at, a lot of people believe that this is an opportunity. I look at it as an opportunity. I'm not going to say that this is absolutely going to skyrocket to $1 today or tomorrow or the next day. Right? It's going to take a lot of effort in order to get to those levels. But if you are looking for a quick gain, this is kind of what you need to look for whenever you have this opportunity. Now, it's kind of getting scary right now because of all of the, unregistered securities that they're claiming we have, or you're seeing, exchanges that are failing or people that are not believing exchanges. Trust is kind of out the window. It's kind of scary in the crypto market to make that move, but these are the risks that we take. And I'm not saying that you need to take this risk with me. I'm not saying that. I'm taking a risk and I'm going to accept my loss whenever I get to my the loss cost basis, or not cost basis, but whenever I get to my loss level. So I have my gain level, I have my loss level. For some reason, I'm blanking in the words, but my profit to loss ratio, if I hit my loss target or my gain target, then I'm going to sell at either one of those, and I will go through that. So what did I buy specifically? Now, I wanted to show you guys what I have over in my portfolio. So I have another 421 million Shiba Inu that I bought today, or yesterday, technically. I have about $4,700 worth, and my profit to loss ratio is really 5 to 1. So I can have 5 losses in order to have 1 win, and I'm looking to gain about $2,000. That means that my loss can be no more than $400 here. So once I get to a $400 loss, if it does start to come back and really start to fall back, then we know the markets are really going to fall back, and then I'm going to try and find the low again and make some moves within it as we do see that. But I'm going to have basically 5 chances to get this gain of $2,000, at which I'm very hopeful that we can see it on the first try, and then we'll find a way to move into other positions with the gain that we did have. So having the $5,000 out here and putting it away, and then taking the $2,000 and finding a way to trade with that consistently to make money, make $100, make $200, whatever I can make there in the short term. And I'm hoping that it's going to be day by day that I make it instead of week by week. But we're not there yet. Where we are is what I'm holding in Shiba Inu. So I bought, again, 421 million Shiba Inu, and it is for the short term, not for the long term. For my long-term position, I'm still holding 260. I think it's 260 million over in crypto.com. And I just want to make sure, just because I think it's somewhere around 250 or 260 million. I know I burned a lot just for the sake of burning. But if I look at my account and I go into my wallet, I'm going to see I have 258 million Shiba Inu. You're not going to see it, but I do have 258 million Shiba Inu that's over there, and this 421 million. But this is going to be short-lived. It's not going to be here forever, and I don't plan for it to be here forever. I just want to make quick trades to make money here. But I did go all in on Shiba Inu for this swing trade. And then we're going to see more and more day trades that are going into the crypto market as I develop a full strategy behind day trading cryptocurrency. But anyways, let me know what you think about this play. I know there's some people that are like, no, what are you doing? Why are you buying this position? Why are you buying now? I'm taking the risk. And I understand that we have that risk of pulling back, but we understand that if it does find a way to drop a 0 or get close to dropping a 0, or not dropping a 0, but adding a 0, then we know that we may see a little bit more of a drop. And whenever I can find that low or close to that low point, that's when I will make my next investment. Again, I have 5 tries in order to make $2,000. That's usually what my strategy is. I have a 5 to 1 profit to loss ratio. And a lot of times by the second time, it typically, makes whatever I'm looking for it to make, or make up that loss plus a little bit of profit in the end. So we'll see. I think it's a decent play. I think there are other decent plays out there, ones that have a little bit of hype behind it. But I think the main reason why I did this was because of how much Shibarium hype you have. And when you have that Shibarium hype, it pushes a lot of the positions that are associated with it. So Bone, Leash, Shiba Inu, I think all of those are really going to run based on the fact that we have this continuation of this hype. And whenever the hype, just ends up increasing so much, we end up seeing it at a certain level, and we see the overall market moving in a positive way, we're going to see Shiba Inu move that much more. So I'm expecting that out of this position. So we'll see, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of my referral links, if you want to trade on Coinbase, trade on KuCoin, Crypto.com, Webull, all of those are down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.